Which programming language should you learn in 2020? It's a tough call and a hard decision, especially if you're just starting your first steps towards programming. Well, if this is the case, then this video is for you. Let's get started.
Python is the answer and should be the language to learn. Let me back this recommendation with the statistics and reasons. Let's start with Stack Overflow Developer Survey results for 2019. As we can see clearly, the key results stating that Python is the fastest growing programming language. I'll leave the link in the video description area so you can get more details. Let's move to the reasons behind this recommendation. There are many reasons, but I will focus on the top two so the video is not too long. I'll start with reason number one, the ease to learn and use. It is one of the easiest programming languages to learn and use. Easy, yes, but powerful enough to be considered one of the general purpose programming languages. It can be used by data scientists, cloud engineers, network engineers, web developers, etc. for automation or problem solving. The characteristics of Python include interactive, modular, dynamic, object-oriented, portable, high-level, extensible. Reason number two, the extensive support libraries. When writing your code in Python, you will have access to a large number of the language libraries, which are ready to be used to speed up your development process. There you have it. So let's start learning the language. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.